What's up guys, AstroMoto here. I'm out here near my house practicing my wheelies. I did have the 15 tooth sprocket back on the bike, but I put the 16 tooth back on, and it did make a decent difference, so I'm trying that out now. Feels like I go a lot farther. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Ooh, let that one down pretty hard. It's so cold I can't even feel my fingers right now. I've only been out here for like 10 minutes. I've actually been trying to go from this mailbox to the next one, but it's just freaking hard to do. But I almost did it. What if I tried a second gear wheelie? Nah, it ain't gonna come up. I ain't that good yet. Man, that was up there, man. I had that thing pointed straight up and down, son. Just get it up to that point and hold it there. Alright. Mailbox, here we go. Not like that, you ain't. This is hard. This is really hard to do. But I'm out here practicing. Practice makes perfect. But it's cold. I'm trying to figure out the whole brake situation. I need to use, it's like I'm using too much or something. Am I using too much or not? I don't know. The fuck was that? You know, out here riding vans, nothing strange, you know. That's for you. Shout out Tommy. Here we go. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Hey, pull over! Pull over! Punched my GoPro on accident. I almost fell off. I literally almost fell off. Oh, this is probably a bad idea, but who cares? He's telling me not to do it. I can do it. Excuse me, people. Wait for me. I didn't think I would really slip. Now it's time to move my van. I got this thing V8 swap my truck, but I've never done it, so I just have a van. Won't start. Start bumper. To use my amazing back 'em up skills. Spider web. I hate spiders. I need power steering. You're gonna mess up my motor. It's a good 5.7. Wait. God, why? You having fun? Having fun? Think we're good, bud. Think we're good. Piece of shit. Onward. Take you for a ride on my little blue tractor. What if I do a hand drag? Nah. Can you imagine getting run over by one of these though? That would suck. Isn't that right? Cool. I didn't want to pet you. That was fun. You know what? What if my dirt bike will start? We shall see. You like my beanie? Let me bring it out here. You like it? AstroMoto. Got here. Good enough. Alright, sorry in advance because it's going to take me a minute to actually crank this thing up. I'm gonna hyperventilate. Hey! It still runs. It's just really loud. Gotta keep it running somehow. This feels so weird. Alright. Excuse me, coming through. I can shift without the clutch. I think today is the day. Yeah, I think we'll go to the top of the trail. Let's get it. Man, it's been a long time since I've been on this thing. Hopefully nobody put anything up. And for anybody wondering, it's an off-brand Chinese Zonction 250, something like that. I don't know. My dad got it a while back, and he didn't want to ride it anymore. He didn't really have time to ride it, so he just like, here, you can have it. So couldn't get it running right, and ended up taking the motor off and putting it on a four-wheeler, a 50cc four-wheeler. It had no motor or anything like that, so I put this 250 motor on it, and I kept breaking chains because of the torque and whatnot. So what I done was just put the dirt bike back together, said screw it, and just been riding this. But then I got a Grom not long after I fixed this, so just been riding it. And it does leak gas a little bit. I mean, it definitely has problems. I love the pop. It's like bah, 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 bah. And I thought today was gonna be a boring day. I think the tire is flat. Yeah, I think it's just spinning inside the tire. Who cares? Yeah, it is. Yeah, the tire's completely flat. I'm sending it. See what happens if I just gun it on the road. It was fun while it lasted. That was hella long. Hell yeah. I can't get the balance. Like, I can't figure it out for some reason. Like, I don't know why I can't figure that part out. Oh, probably why. I'm not being steady on the gas. Oh. Holy shit. That was crazy. I need to pop it way up. I'm talking about like way up. Holy crap. That was like straight up and down. Well, I mean, it feels like it, but I don't know, that's weird. I kind of get it. I say kind of because I don't know what I'm doing. Man, if I could just get it right there. Alright, no more fooling around. Serious, I gotta get this thing up and get it to go. I can get it up, it's just I can't keep it there. Keep it up there. Keep it up there. No! So close, so close. I am so close to getting it. Like, I'm talking about like real close. Holy crap. I'm gonna get it. He's gonna be shot. I got it this time. Hey, I bet you I can make it. I'm gonna go past it this time. I got this. I got this. Just fucking send it. Just stand it up. I hurt my knees. I looped it. I gotta bend my shifter back. I know. And I just landed on my knees and just watched it, and I was like, ha ha. So I got it on video. Is it still recording? Yeah.